Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your React.js instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. Throughout this React Router DOM redirect tutorial, we are going to explain how to redirect from one component to another component using the React Router DOM module. Redirect is an approach to navigate one screen to another automatically without using of link or button. Here, we will use the useHistory hook to perform redirect. This hook is defined within React Router DOM module, which allows to change the path of the URL to route the desired component. In the previous videos, we have already explained how to implement React Router DOM for multi-page navigations based on the path of the URL. So, in this video, we will concentrate on the usage of useHistory hook only. Let's start with the demonstration. First, understand the use case. Here, by clicking on any link, related section will be appeared with nested URL. We will add a third link here for redirect. By clicking, we will reach to corresponding component and redirect to home page by checking the path of the URL. Let's implement the new redirect link in page 2 component. Adding a new link here. Set the link path as /page2/redirect. We can provide the name as redirect to home screen. If this link is clicked, then the path name redirect will be assigned to this type parameter and triggered the page2.js component. The type parameter is passed to subpage component as a property type. Now, we will implement the redirect action using the useHistory hook from React Router DOM modules in subpage.js component. Creating a constant variable with name history here to keep the information returns from useHistory hook. We will add a conditional statement here to check the props.type value as redirect, which was set during clicking on link from page 2 component. Oops, missed the props in the conditional statement. Let me correct it. Now, we will write the redirect statement within this conditional block. We will use history.push method to change the path of the URL to root of the application. This statement automatically changed the path of the URL and the router will render the home component page.js. This way we can redirect without using link. If we go through the components, the nested URL path as redirect is set from page 2 component through the third link. Then same path is assigned to type parameter from roots component and it renders the page 2 component. This type parameter value is captured from page 2 component and passed to subpage component through type property. In subpage component, the redirect operation has performed when the type is redirect, that means while clicking on redirect link. In the application, if we click on redirect link, the home page 1 component is getting redirected from the subpage component automatically. Here, history.push method is used for redirect. Thanks for watching this video. In this React Nested Roots tutorial, we have covered how to redirect in React. We will learn about React Protected Roots in upcoming video.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.